Hi everyone, I'm Alice, Advanced EFT practitioner and trainer. And in this video, I'd like to share with you a really simple technique that you can use when you need a moment of mental clarity. So, when you have a bit of brain fog or you can't quite think of what to do if you're having problem making a decision, or you're dealing with the aftermath of a difficult phone call or something like that, and you just need to clear your brain, this is a really good method to use. And this technique comes from the Touch for Health system, which I trained in before I became an EFT practitioner. And it's based around the premise that obviously in our skull, we have different plates in the cranium. And as a baby, there are gaps between them. Babies are born with the plates not joined up. And as they grow, the plates fuse together. But there's still a line where the plates have joined up, where there's a little bit of movement. So the idea is that as we go through life, the plates can become slightly jammed or blocked, and particularly if you're wearing tight headgear, such as a hat or headphones or sweatband or something like that, or just going about your life and moving, and it's an area of the body that we can't actually move those bones ourselves with our muscles like you can with your arm, or the muscles in your hand can move your skeletal joints in the fingers, but we can't move these joints. So this is a manual massage technique to move those plates apart and increase the flow of cerebro-spinal fluid, which in turn will help your brain feel clearer and healthier. So it's really simple. All you do is you take your fingers like this along the center line where two of your plates join up, the cranial plates, and you dig them in quite firmly so that it feels pleasant, and then you just pull your fingers apart across the skull like that. It should feel really good. And just do that a few times. I hope you're doing it with me now because you're going to feel great afterwards. So at least 5 times, but even more if you want to. Just gently but firmly pulling the skin and encouraging those plates to move apart. So I think I've done about 5 or 6 now. And then you can also go around the back of the head as well, digging your fingers in a pleasant way and pulling across the back of the head a few times. And so when you move your hands into different positions, I'm now in about the third or fourth position across the back of my skull there. And that should feel really good. And let's do that again from the top. Let's do 3 or 5. Feels really nice. It's like a little massage. You're getting massaging other points as well in the skull. Lots of acupressure points in the skull as well as this. This is a cerebrospinal fluid technique from Touch for Health, but there are also pressure points. So we're going a third time now all over the skull, making sure that you've done at least 5 on the main one, the top one there. And then just relax. Maybe your shoulders got a bit tense doing that, so just make sure they're not tense. And that's it. That's your little technique. And you can do that anytime. It's so simple. It's only taken us a couple of minutes to do it. And I hope this helps you find mental clarity. And it just feels nice. You can feel the blood coming back to the scalp in there, and it feels really good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.